Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for swinging by to check out today's video. Today's video is going to be all about meal prep. I know a lot more of you have been asking me in the comments of my recent videos if I would do another meal prep video, since that seems to have been a super popular video topic on my channel for a really long time. I did one like 2 years ago and last year, and those ended up being the most viewed videos and had just the most best feedback from you guys. I know a lot of you may be transitioning into a vegan lifestyle, or you're maybe just thinking about it, or you're vegetarian, or you just don't know what to eat. Again, I'm not an expert. I've only been eating this way for a few months, but I do really love it, and this is something that my son really enjoys as well. So for today, I'm just gonna walk you guys through one meal that I usually make, I would say maybe once or twice a week, but of course I'm gonna make 6 of them today, so it's gonna last me the whole week. I'm not gonna show you multiple meals in this specific video just because I only cook for myself. I do have a vegan meal prep video that I put up maybe 5 to 6 weeks ago where I showed a chili and then also some quinoa salads that I put in little mason jars. That video is also really great if you don't like this recipe, or you just want some variety, or you need to make more because you're cooking for like a whole family or something. So I will also leave that video down below. I'm also doing this video today with my beautiful friend here on YouTube, Danny. She actually makes amazing videos. I don't know if she knows this, but I've been watching her videos way before we decided to even collab, and she is vegan as well. So she's gonna be doing some meal prep. I know that she has a husband, so she might be like prepping for both of them, or she might just be making meals for herself and letting him like fend for himself. I don't know. I'm really excited to see her video, but she deserves so many more subscribers. Her editing is absolutely on point. I would highly recommend you guys check her out. When you're done watching this video, definitely go subscribe to her and check out her video from today. I will also leave that down below. If you're coming from her channel, thank you so much for watching and subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family. I would love if you guys checked out any other content here on my channel. If you are coming from her page, I did just put up a Q&A yesterday. It tells you all about me and my son. It's like a perfect video to get to know me a little bit if you're brand new to my channel, so I would love if you would check that out. And I think that's it. My intros are always super long, so let's cut it off. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this meal prep. What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be making these tofu crunch salads. I have these all the time. The ingredients are super affordable. You can find them at any local grocery store. I made sure everything was really simple for you guys. Here is a little breakdown of what you're going to need, but I'm going to go over every single item and walk you guys through it. It's such an easy recipe. So first, you're just going to take any type of tofu that you like. I prefer the extra firm. It cooks really well. I put a little bit of this Kikkoman soy sauce on, and I put my oven on like a medium heat. And then I go ahead and put a lid over, and I'm going to cook that for 20 minutes. So while that's cooking, we can move on to the salad. So all I'm going to start doing is putting any type of fresh fruit. I'm just going to wash it and cut it up. You guys can use anything that you want for the sides. It doesn't have to be fruit, or you can do like grapes or bananas, just anything that you like. Chopping this up pretty small, and I'm going to have one portion of fruit in every single meal prep container. I personally also really love pineapples, so I chose to kind of cut that up and add it in. But again, you can use anything that you want. If you wanted to do vegetables on the side, like really anything. All these meal prep videos that I do are customizable based upon your guys' taste and what you and your family really like. But personally, I just really like fruit. And also if I'm eating with my son and he doesn't really like what he's having, or he decides to be like picky for the day, I know that he loves fruit like this. So I can always give him some of this as well. So I'm just chopping all this up, and then here I'm just taking some iceberg lettuce and putting it in the biggest section of the meal prep containers. Also, a ton of you guys were asking on Snapchat about these meal prep containers. These specific ones were actually really pricey, so I'm going to leave a link down below for some that I found on Amazon that are very cheap. I know a lot of you have told me you're on a budget, but you absolutely loved these when I made a post the other day, so you wanted to pick some up for yourself. So I will leave that in the description box for you. I'll find some very affordable ones that I know everyone will be able to buy. Then I'm just putting all the fruit in another one of the smaller sections of these containers. Again, you can just put however much that you want. I just put however much I would have at one sitting. I'm going to be having these for lunch. And then I took some Tostitos black bean chips. Again, if you want to put any type of like sesame or croutons, whatever you love on top of your salads, just basically go for it. You can also do like kidney beans and corn. I really like some type of crunch to my salad, and I know that these are a lot healthier than like regular croutons. And then I also took these organic carrot chips, and I just basically sprinkled those on top. Again, you can do shredded carrots, you can do onion, mushroom, any type of toppings for any regular lettuce or any type of salad you can pop on top. These are personally, again, just what I love and what my son really likes as well. So this is just a meal that I tend to make over and over because I know that I love it. And then here the tofu was actually done cooking. It got a little bit brown from the soy sauce, and that's when I knew it was done. So I'm just portioning it out and putting it into the empty container that we had left in all the meal prep containers, and that is pretty much it. If you guys have never tried tofu and you're a little bit worried, it's a great substitute for chicken or steak. I've recently come onto it a lot and I absolutely love the taste. These salads were super, super filling. It's something I make all the time. Again, all of the ingredients are just so cheap. And yeah, it's just a meal that I really love. I'm a creature of habit, so I really love making meals every week that I know that I like. And then whenever I get inspired, I'll basically just try a new recipe. And if it's something I like, I'll just start making it from then on out. So these were good for about the next 4 days. As you can see, I'm just popping on the lids here, and you just want to make sure that everything is super tight when you are dealing with food. You don't want anything to spoil or go bad. If you want to put dressing on these salads, definitely do it at the time that you're going to be eating them. Do not pack the dressing in here. As you can see, like I didn't do that because it will go bad and it'll kind of make the salad be a little bit soggy. So I just like to pack these up tight and then add the dressing at the time when I'm ready to eat them. And that's pretty much it. Like, they're ready to go for the week. Again, it's just something that I really love, and I know that my son would love as well. I do pack his own meals, but in case he would want some, I know that's something we both enjoy. So that's going to be it. You guys can click the screen right now if you want to see 2 other recipes that I did on a vegan chili and also a salad in a mason jar. I would love if you checked out this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.